I'm Sarah Carmack, and I'm from North Alabama, and I am a senior marketing major here with a minor in political studies. My internship was through Alpha Alert Systems, which is out of Adamsville, Tennessee. They make security systems or safety systems for schools, and it's a fairly new company. It's kind of a startup right now, and so I got to be on the front lines with them and help them create a website, and I've just started helping them create their online presence through social media. I love marketing, and it's definitely reaffirmed this for me and given me the confidence that I need, as well as being in just a professional business environment with it and just learning what I need to from different kinds of people that know different things. And so it's been very helpful for me, and it just reaffirmed that I love social media and that's what I want to do. So I've applied what I've learned in classes at Freed to my internship, mainly just through professionalism. Freed is very, very big on we dress up for presentations in class. We learn how to communicate, where we get to places early, and we also learn like how to speak to people and conversate, how to properly email someone so that we don't just sound like we're texting them. As far as like what I actually did in my internship, I did a lot of web design, which is not a class I had ever taken at Freed. But of course, all of the teachers here offered their help with it. Dr. Robertson was very helpful in that. She knew how to run the programs that we were just having to figure out ourselves, and so she gave us some pointers on that. And of course, Dr. Hibbett helped a ton with that. And so that was something out of my comfort zone a little bit, and something that I hadn't learned in the classroom because it's something I never really saw myself doing. But as far as the social media side, I did take digital marketing with Dr. Robertson, and we learned more about SEO. So I definitely am a lot more aware just from taking digital marketing of that. But I did figure out what I needed to. So even if the internship doesn't directly sound like something that you think that you can do, just give it a shot, and it's worth it to just try it. You might find something that you absolutely love, and so that's why I recommend doing an internship, because you'll find out more about yourself.